Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a healthy breakfast using oats. Here I have some strawberry, rolled oats. Get yourself some good quality rolled oats. And here I have some blueberry. And I'm going to take you through the process. If this is the first time you're watching this channel, just to let you know you're welcome. And please do remember to like, share, subscribe, and definitely leave positive comment. So many times we turn our eyes against oats and don't know how healthy oats is. Oats is very good for your cholesterol and it's good for blood flow, especially for men. It's very healthy. It's good for you. And oats contain a type of fiber called beta glucan. And that's one of the fiber that help you to lower your blood sugar and get rid of bad cholesterol. Oats also good to control your blood sugar. So consuming oats on a regular basis is very healthy. I'm a porridge person. I love oats. And it's also good for gut health, good for lowering your blood pressure. And also it's good for weight loss. Oats have quite a bit of protein in it. It have protein, fiber, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, zinc, copper, and also nicotine. So to make this lovely oats porridge, just gonna set these aside, and I'll be using about 2 of this. So I'll be using about 2 cups of rolled oats. Ladies and gentlemen, you know, as I said before, don't underestimate the nutrition facts or the nutrition value of oats. What I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna get a whisk, and I'm just gonna whisk it around. With this, I'm gonna add some milk. You can use some almond milk, depends on what you prefer. So I'm gonna go in with some milk. I'll be adding some Celtic salt. Celtic salt also is very healthy, good for you. In here, I'm adding some cinnamon and nutmeg. After you finish it, if you think you need more, please feel free to add more to it. So while that is going, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut some of these up. Just taking these off. Please remember to give these a wash. I'm going to cut these off, and then you can just cut it up however you want it. I'll probably use about that. I'm going to show you 2 ways I do mine and what you can add to it if you need it a little bit sweeter or leave it as it is. So I'm just letting it cook through. Ladies and gentlemen, if you ever notice how strong a horse is, so these I'm just going ahead and cut these up. So you can cut them in the desired shape you want them. Have you ever seen how strong a horse is? And horse, they love to eat oats. So our porridge is ready. So I have 2 bowls here, and I'm going to show you 2 different ways how you can do your oats. So we put half in this one. We're going to put half in the other one. Now, the easiest one, I'm going to use some fig puree on one of them. So on this, bit of fig. So the next one now, we're going to put our berries. Now, make it your own. You don't have to follow this pattern, but I like to play around with food, like cooking. Love cooking. Okay. Then we're going to get our blueberry. We're just going to drop him like this. Yeah, so then I'm going to take a strawberry and just probably just put it in the middle like so. So there you have it, guys. This one is with fig. Then you have this one with berries. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. I appreciate your time.